Dimpho Hani, the face of the anti-parole campaign. Last year, another co-accused, Clive Derby Lewis, died after being paroled. Today, she reiterated her desire to keep Walus, the triggerman, behind bars. Hani has always maintained the two have been less than forthcoming about the assassination. Janusz Walus was an anti-communist Polish immigrant. He colluded with Clive Derby Lewis to execute Hani and borrowed a gun from Derby Lewis and shot Hani in the head. The murder was witnessed by a neighbor whose testimony was critical in bringing the killers to justice. Both men were initially sentenced to death in 1993. But with a moratorium on capital punishment, the sentences were commuted to life. Last year, the High Court in Pretoria ordered that Janusz Walus be freed on parole. But Justice Minister Michael Masuta appealed the decision. Today, a judgment overturning the High Court's decision.
The appeal is upheld with no order as to costs. 2, the matter is remitted to the appellant for his reconsideration and decision within 90 calendar days of this order.
Masuta welcomed the decision.
They decided, instead of replacing my decision with theirs, rather opted to refer the matter back to me for further consideration, which I will certainly do in the 90 days that they've given me.
SACP says an inquest into the death of Chris Hani is urgent.
We have actually asked our lawyers our legal team to look into the opening of the inquest on the Hani matter, so that we can then get to the truth, because the person that did this dastardly act, Janusz Walus, is refusing to tell the truth.
The Justice Minister has 90 days to decide whether parole should be granted. Walus is likely to appeal the decision. Nozindombi Mia, SABC News.